guys, today is Famous 51. We're testing new drivers, the M4, the QI10 LS Stealth 2 Plus, and the QI Limited Edition. The QI is limited edition, so let's see if we do better than the QI LS.
Okay.
Now we got Stealth 2. Let's see how he can perform against the M4. We got the QI LS. Let's see how can it perform against the Stealth 2. My favorite, we got the limited edition QI10. My dad got this and it is 7 in the world. There's only 10 of them. Let's see how can I perform against the QI.